Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization by s. Next, about 4s squared, we can put into s squared and 3s squared. This one we can do about factorization by s squared. This one for number 3. So we have s squared plus 1 and s squared plus 1. We can do another factorization. Next, I need to put number 2 on numerator and denominator because I want to create about 2 factors in here. So number 2 multiplied by s squared and number 2. So this one we can put into s squared plus 3 s squared plus 1 because number 3 and number 1 we have number 4. S squared and s squared we have 2s squared. So this one divide by this one and this one divide by this one. So we have like this. And now I will concentrate about this one first. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared plus 1. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides and we have 2s ds. Because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. S ds we change by this one. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about this one. Now we can do similar for this one. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This one, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.